Ay, ito po ang surprise greetings from Lola G. Okay, mamaya daw po natin i-pay. Meron lang technical problem dito. Okay, please line up na po muna kayo. Please line up. Please line up. Just blow your birthday wishes. Isa-isa. Chelsea. Okay, and start blowing birthday wishes, Chelsea. And yan, sabay-sabay niyong batiin si Chelsea ng happy birthday, Chelsea, in 3, 2, and 1.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ladies and gentlemen, that was